Myself Praveen Thorat. Today's date is 1 February 2024 and my topic is history of Java. Java is object oriented programming language which is developed at Sun Microsystem in 1995 with James Gosling and his team members. They known as the Green Team. They firstly Java language name as Green language. After they decide to change the name, they found Oak language, but they after they known Oak language is a patent, so they decide to finally change to language name as Java programming language. Java programming language is simple and easy to learn. It is object oriented. Java programming language is platform independent. Java programming language is robust. Java language is multi-threaded. Java programming language is portable. It is secured. Java language is distributed. Java language is architecture neutral. First, Java programming language is object oriented. Java programming language is object oriented because it we develops the software with the incorporate of data and its behavior. Platform object oriented programming language is methodology that object oriented programming language is methodology that develops a software providing by some rules such as inheritance, polymorphism, encapsulation, and abstraction. Uh, Platform independent. Java programming language is platform independent. It means it can run on any device which has a JVM installed, and it has a principle that write write once and run anywhere. Java programming language is simple and easy to learn because Java programming language is straightforward and easy to learn. It avoids it it avoids pointer features. It familiar with syntax. It familiar with syntax of C++ programming language. Then Java is Java programming language is robust. Java programming language is robust because it has strong memory allocations that that has execution compiler. Java is a multi-threaded. Java is a multi-threaded programming language. Java is secure. Java is best known for its security. Because of Java security, it avoids explicitity of pointers, so they can avoid security problems. Then Java is high in performance. Java programming language is highly in performance that can run multiple programs at the same time without less memory storage. Java is portable. Java programming language is portable because we can run this language on any device which has JVM installed, and we can execute the program. Then Java programming language is distributed. Java programming language is distributed because Java programming language is various types of coding. Some examples of codings: addition of two numbers, uh, calculate the simple interest, calculate the compound interest, then swap variables, uh, some known as if number is even or odd. If then in Java programming language we can calculate multiple mathematical equations that use in day-to-day life. With the help of Java programming language, we can assume some mathematical calculations such as addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and so other applications. First, we assume some programming language that has Java. Java can run multiple mathematical applications. Thank you.